Today we're going to be testing the second iteration of the software we've created. What we've got now is the board completely assembled. The blue board on the bottom is the brain. The upper deck is holding the overcurrent limiters. We've got the board that controls the two mains here. The nose gear is a separate single channel board over here. It's got some neat features into it that we've programmed. The first one is the stagger delay. It starts all three motors sequentially. Now, when you're coming up on the gear and you decide you want to abort and go in the opposite direction, when you flip the switch, it ignores the stagger and makes the gear snap back down. Like so. And we've got one other feature that's programmed into it. If we have a loss of signal, it'll put the gear back down. So I'm going to go ahead and retract. I just pull the cord out from the DSC and it sends the gear back down.